Hey everyone, this is TJ here and welcome to my YouTube channel English Guru Learn to Speak English with TJ. So let's talk about today's session. Actually, in today's lesson, I want to just discuss some points regarding communication skill or regarding English. मित्रांनो, आपल्याला सगळ्यांच्या मनात एकच क्वेश्चन आहे, आपल्याला इंग्लिश बोलण्यासाठी काय केलं पाहिजे. ओके, पण मला क्वेश्चन हा विचारायचा आहे, आत्तापर्यंत तुम्ही इंग्लिश बोलण्यासाठी काय केलंय. आतापर्यंत आपण इतके लेक्चर्स अटेंड केलेत स्कूलमध्ये, हायस्कूलमध्ये, राईट. मग आपण एक्झॅक्टली काय केलं ॲक्च्युली, what we have done exactly in those all lectures, right? We have spent 600 to 700 lectures in our life, in schools and colleges, and even though we have still problem to talk in English. Why? Because what we have done, we have just tried to learn some vocabulary, some phrases, and just reading and writing. मित्रांनो बघा, आपण स्कूल हायस्कूलमध्ये जे काय केलंय त्यामध्ये पण आपण जस्ट आपला टाइम इन्व्हेस्ट कशामध्ये केलाय, आपण रीडिंग, रायटिंग आणि काही फ्रेजेस, काही सेंटेन्सेस शिकलोय आपण, आणि काही वर्ब्स जे व्होकॅब्युलरी आपली वाढवलेली आहे, बस ते सुद्धा. म्हणजे दॅट इज अ पोटेन्शियल वी हॅव विथ अस. पण नेक्स्ट आपण काय स्टेप घेतले शिकण्यासाठी? तुम्ही रिअली काही स्टेप्स घेताय का पुढे? किंवा तुम्ही असं आहे का तुमच्या माइंडमध्ये की आपल्याला बोलताना काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम होतोय, किंवा आपण ॲक्च्युली मला मी जे बोलतोय ते बरोबर आहे की चूक आहे हे आपल्याला माहीत नाही आहे, किंवा तुमचा कॉन्फिडन्स लो आहे का? ॲक्च्युली आपण इंग्लिश बोलण्यासाठी कॉन्फिडन्स पाहिजे म्हणतात. कॉन्फिडन्स म्हणजेच काय? what it tells, what it tends to be. Confidence is nothing but fear inside we have, जी आपल्या मनातली भीती आहे ती. Okay, no problem. Actually, if somebody asks you how are you, then you should just say I'm fine. Whether you ask the same question to that person, whether you say I'm fine, thank you, how are you, no, because we try to run away from that person. Okay, and one more thing I would like to tell here, we always give damn reasons. म्हणजे काय बघा, मी मराठी मीडियममध्ये शिकलोय, राईट. आज माझ्या आजूबाजूला कोणी बोलायला नाही आहे, मला बोलायची इच्छा खूप आहे, पण मला आजूबाजूला कोणी सराउंडिंग नाही आहे, राईट. मग मित्रांनो मला सांगा, हू विल क्रिएट दिस सराउंडिंग? Unless and until you start creating the surrounding, you will not able to speak with other people. So that you need to focus on creating surrounding yourself. You just talk to yourself, no doubt about it. You don't need to find people around you to talk. You just find yourself, you talk with yourself. All right, you can make two minds. You talk yourself, then you're gonna make real breakthrough in your life. All right, actually see, these things are there. आपण इतके एफर्ट्स घेतले आहेत आतापर्यंत स्कूल, हायस्कूलमध्ये, त्यातून फक्त रीडिंग रायटिंगच शिकलोय का आपण? नाही, आपल्याकडे बरंचसं व्होकॅब्युलरी पण आहे. आपल्याला फक्त आता त्यावर पुढे काय करायचं आहे हे आपल्याला बघायचं आहे ॲक्च्युली. what we have to do exactly next, what exactly we have to take next step, right? The next, based on that we have to take the next steps. Not the same things you cannot do again. If you do the same things, then you will get the same result somewhere written. I have heard that many times. If you do same things again, you'll get the same result again. So whatever you have done in high schools and schools, that is best part, no doubt about it. But next to that, you have to go to the next level, right? Based on that, we have to go to the next level. All right, so what we need to do exactly, what is next level means? See, what normally we do, we go to, always everybody says that, actually I have problem of grammar, I need to know tenses, because I don't know tenses, I don't know grammar, that's why I am not able to speak. But are you really think that is the problem? Are you really think that is the problem? No way, that is not the problem. The problem is you, because you are not trying you're not trying the best. You have to try the best, you'll get the best result, my friends. So do those things which you require, and in my video I try to tell the same things. Now people say, many people though, out when I go out, people say only, they say like this: you have to think in English. People say start thinking in English. People normally say that, but is it so easy to start thinking in English without not knowing basic things? Not possible. Nobody's trying to tell what are the basic things we have to know for thinking. For example, मला मल्याळम काहीच येत नाही, मग मी इंग्लिशमध्ये मला मल्याळम काहीच नाही येत, मग मी मल्याळममध्ये मला कोणी सांगितलं तुम्ही थिंक करा, मी काय थिंक करणार आहे? कसं थिंक करणार आहे? थिंक करण्यासाठी काहीतरी आपल्याकडे पाहिजे ना, काहीतरी पाहिजे. वी शुड नो समथिंग, की काय थिंक केलं पाहिजे, काय थिंक केलं पाहिजे हेच माहीत नसेल तर आपण कसं थिंक करणार, राईट? सो दॅट guys, watch my all videos. I try to give all basic things which are required to think in English exactly. No need to translate, no need to translate. I'm sure I do agree that, but without translating we cannot speak. That is also true, but if you know the basic things in English itself, I said, not translating anything, English itself, then you are gonna make really a breakthrough in your life. Definitely you will start thinking, because in my all videos I'm trying to give you all basic things those are needed to think properly in English. Okay, and already guys you have so many things with you, already you have so many things with you, you know, in that all things, you know, many basic things, but you are little stumbled because whether you are right or not, that is the problem regarding in your mind. That is just mind mapping goal, yeah? Just that's it. You have to work on that. You have to plan properly. See, whatever I'm talking automatically, spontaneous, no any editing in this. Whatever, if I do some mistakes, no problem, I don't worry about it, but my mind is just ready to give messages to people. That's it, because I don't worry about if I do mistakes in my pronunciation, if I do mistakes in grammar, no worries about that. I just need to speak, that's in my mind, that is my confidence, that's it. I'll throw some sentence out, maybe there will be some mistakes, definitely there would be many mistakes in my videos, definitely, but for talking we need to make mistakes. From mistakes only can learn, guys. So always remember. See, now I would like to give one more example. See, one more thing, when you think about grammar only, if grammar is only your concern and all the grammatical parts are only your concern, then just I would like to give an example. तुम्ही मराठी कधी शिकलात, किंवा तुम्ही हिंदी कधी शिकलात, किंवा तुम्ही कन्नडा कधी शिकलात? You know, whatever the people who are looking out watching this video, my simple question to those all people, when have you learned your language, your mother tongue? Tell me. In schools, in high schools, in colleges, when? Do you really remember the date and day or the month or the year, that day or that month or that year you started speaking started speaking your mother tongue? Have you ever think about this? When exactly? Tell me. The answer is no. I really don't know about when I started speaking my mother tongue. My mother tongue is Marathi. When I started speaking in Marathi, I really don't know about it, because I have learned how have you learned your mother tongue? Who taught you? Did anyone from your family give you grammar book when you took birth? Really? Yeah, they give you grammar book and then you studied grammar first of all after taking birth, and then you started talking Marathi, right? No way guys, no way. कोणी आपल्याला, आपण जेव्हा जन्म घेतला तेव्हा आपल्याला कोणी ग्रॅमरचं बुक दिलं का? अरे बाळा, तुला मराठी शिकायचं आहे, मराठी खूप टफ आहे, तुम्हाला हे ग्रॅमर, तुला हे सगळं ग्रॅमरचं पुस्तक अगोदर तू पूर्ण कर, पाठ कर सगळं, हे टेन्स वगैरे आहे, ते प्रिपोजिशन, आर्टिकल, हे सगळं पाठ कर, त्याच्याशिवाय तू बोलूच शकत नाहीस मराठी, असं आपल्याला सांगितलं का? जर असं सांगितलं असतं तर आपण म्हटलं असतं मी परत जातो, right? I'll go back to my place again, right? So guys, just do one thing, don't believe in such a things. You start talking, that's it. See, I said whatever I'm talking, that is spontaneous, that is extempore. I'm not preparing anything, because I'm talking on my 12 years experience, based on 12 years experience, 12 to 15 years experience I have dealt with. I go to many schools, colleges, and I give lectures, right? Even though I just try to tell the same things, guys, you need to work. Don't worry, you need not worry about grammar and all the things. You just start talking, because while talking we don't make any grammar sense over there. We just go ahead talking. Now आपले आता समजा जे आपले आई वडील समजा अडाणी आहेत, ते शिकलेले नाहीत, मग ते मराठी कसे शिकले? ते ज्या गावात राहत आहेत त्या गावात जर समजा कोणती दुसरी लँग्वेज, अदर लँग्वेज कोणी बोलत असेल तर ते पण ते बोलतात, ती लँग्वेज पण ते बोलतात. कसे शिकले ते? त्यांना कोणी ग्रॅमर शिकवलं का? त्यांना कोणी ग्रॅमर रूल सांगितलं का? त्यांना कोणी रिडिंग रायटिंग शिकवलं का? नाही ना. या पण ते शिकले ना. कसे शिकले मग? ऑब्झर्वेशन, लिसनिंग, राईट, बॉडी लँग्वेज, these all things mixed up, and they learn. Whether they don't know that is correct or wrong, but they speak very well, right? So guys, always remember, you should not bother about these things at all in your life. If you need to talk, that is your strong potential, that is your strong wish. Go ahead, and I'll try to help in my video to those people who are really interested in talking, and who are really have strong desire to speak in English. For them only I just created this channel, to help them by sitting out there. They can watching my videos, they can just learn so many things, basic things, and after that they'll go slowly, they build up slowly, no doubt about it. Nobody can stop you unless you stop yourself. दुसरं तुम्हाला कोणीही थांबवू शकत नाही मित्रांनो, इंग्लिश बोलायला. ओके, तुम्ही स्वतःला थांबवताय. Okay, see, I try to tell my all students, and I try to convince them that don't worry, just go ahead talking. You create the surrounding, you ask questions to many people around you, right? I did the same thing in my life. I am basically from Marathi medium, and I am from a very small village which has only 500 to 1000 population. That's it. And I studied in that school and that high school, and I just decided in my life that I just wanted to speak English. So I just used to do one thing. I tell you what मी काय करायचो इंग्लिश बोलण्यासाठी. बऱ्याचशा मी ट्रिक्स मी नंतर तुम्हाला सांगतो, डेव्हलप केल्यात मी बऱ्याचशा ट्रिक्स, तुम्हाला त्या व्हिडिओमधून प्रत्येक व्हिडिओमधून तुम्हाला मिळतील. पण मी काय करायचो ॲक्च्युली, मी इंग्लिश बोलताना मी माझी स्वतःशीच बडबड करायचो ॲक्च्युली. स्वतःच काहीतरी बडबड करत राहायचं ॲक्च्युली. काहीतरी एखादा पॅरेग्राफ मला आवडतो तो बडबड करायचा ॲक्च्युली, काही सेंटेन्सेस बडबड करायचे ॲक्च्युली. आणि मी मित्रांना कोणी जर चांगलं इंग्लिश बोलत असेल तर त्याच्याशी इंग्लिश बोलायचा प्रयत्न करायचो ॲक्च्युली. आय वॉज ट्राईंग द बेस्ट, राईट, अँड स्पेंड लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम फॉर दॅट. कारण का मी कुठलीच अपेक्षा ठेवली नाही. मला फक्त बोलायचं इंग्लिश, दॅट्स इट. कधी बोलायचं ते मला माहीत, आणि मी इंग्लिश कधी बोलायला शिकलो मला पण माहीत नाही. रिअल आय टेल यू, फ्रँकली स्पीकिंग. असं करत माझा रिझल्ट चांगला आहे. नाव आय एम गायडिंग पीपल, नाव आय एम गिव्हिंग लेक्चर्स, I go through trainings. I would like to tell you, more than 10,000 aspirant I have trained in my life, in classroom training, in colleges, in different schools, institution. Sorry. There I go and teach people. I give training people. So that, alright, so never bother about it. And people used to say around me that time, लोक असं बाजूला म्हणायचं, हा काय मॅड आहे रे, हा पागल आहे रे, हा काय बडबड करतो काय माहित नाही. ओके, बट नाव द रिझल्ट इज हिअर. एक आणखीन सांगावं असं वाटतं ॲक्च्युली. आपल्यात एक म्हण आहे मराठीमध्ये, जेव्हा तहान लागेल तेव्हा आपण विहीर खोदतो. बट दॅट इज कम्प्लिटली रॉंग. डोंट डू दॅट. वेन वी नीड समथिंग वी सर्च फॉर इट. डोंट डू दॅट. Do those things you know already. We are gonna need these all things next somewhere, right? So guys, start now itself to do something. Try to get, there are so many channels on YouTube. There are so many people around us to talk in English with. There are so many kids who are learning in English medium schools. They speak very good. Try to speak with them. All right, never bother about it, that who's gonna say something to you, who's gonna dismotivate you. Don't worry about it. You motivate yourself. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. That's it. And one day I'll get there. And because here learning language, learning English is a long road, guys. It's a long process. It is not possible in 1 day or 2 days and 3 days. When people come to me personally, they ask me, sir, can I speak English in 8 days, in 10 days, in 1 month? Is it possible? मग आतापर्यंत का शिकला नाही आपण, असं मी त्यांना क्वेश्चन विचारायचो. Is it so easy? No. Guys, you have to try your own. As I said, it's a long road. You have to go on that road, right? Slowly. No problem. मध्ये कधी तुमचं ते इंग्लिश शिकण्याचं ब्रेक पण होईल. But forget about it. Start again. Alright?